Welcome to your first n8n automation. Learn how to build an email automation triggered by form submissions, no coding needed. Triggering from form submission. Use any online form like Typeform, Tally, or custom HTML. When the user submits, it triggers your automation instantly. Open n8n, create a new workflow named Form Email Notification, and drag in a webhook node that will listen for submissions. Configure webhook node. Set HTTP method to post and copy the test URL to use in your forms action or testing tools like Postman. Live test tip. After submitting the form, click Execute node in n8n and watch for incoming data to confirm it works. Add Gmail or SMTP node for sending emails. Set up authentication, recipient, subject new form submission, and use form fields for body content. Connect and test workflow. Link the webhook and email nodes. Execute the workflow and submit a test entry to verify you received the email. You've built your first n8n automation. Explore advanced workflows like Google Sheets integration and Slack alerts. Like, subscribe, and comment your next automation ideas.